Hello friends! Today we will draw such a simple seascape that you see on the screen. The weather is cloudy, we see a rock, a sea with light waves and foam, and a sandy shore, wet from the water with small puddles. So, let's get started! In the upper right corner we see a reference photo, which I took as a basis. I am sticking tape. We start from the sky, moisturize it, take ultramarine, a little burnt sienna, a little lavender, and apply it in a light tone to the sky. Let's add more tone. Burn sienna, ultramarine to get a grayish tint and darken, leaving light gaps. I twist the tablet so that the paint mixes better on the surface of the sheet. Take a Chinese calligraphy brush, paint azure and start painting the sea, trying not to touch the sky. Also, you can dry it with a hairdryer. We apply paint, leaving white gaps on the paper. This will be our foam, dark waves under the foam in the direction of the vanishing point. We take sienna and burnt orange quinacridone and paint our coast, adding azure to sand for puddles, and also add azure to our mixture for the shadow under the foam. Cover the sky with a towel and splatter dark paint on the sand to emphasize its texture. We darken the sand with our mixture, making it more interesting. I really like to watch how water flows, pushing the pigment apart. Twisting the tablet, directing our paint. We paint the mountains with the same paint as the sand. This is burnt sienna and burnt orange quinacridone. Then the shadows with a mixture of azure and quinacridone and burnt sienna emphasize the relief of the mountain. Now let's play a little fun. We add a little burnt sienna, let it flow, water, enjoy it. We splash with water. Move the pigment with a palette knife to get interesting fragments. A little quinacridone in the sand. Shadow on the foam. Turning over the tablet, I want to soften the foam line on the bank with a flat synthetic brush. We lighten the puddles on the sand with the same brush. Spray it with white zinc, like splashes of foam. Adding a dark tone to the foam shadow, wave line. Dark azure paint. Signature. Take off the tape. It seemed to me that the foam line was insufficient and I decided to lengthen it. I take a flat brush and extend it. And also white zinc added foam far away near the cliff. I think it's better this way. What do you say? Hope you enjoyed the demo. You can give me a like if you want. See you in the next video. Bye!